Have you ever wondered how to turn just one strawberry plant into a whole garden full of plants and fruit? It's so simple, completely free, and anyone can do it at home, even beginners. Today, I'll show you the exact step-by-step method, plus everything you need to know to keep them healthy, strong, and full of sweet, juicy strawberries. First, find a healthy strawberry mother plant. During spring and summer, it naturally sends out long, thin green stems called runners. Along these runners, you'll notice tiny baby plants starting to form. Take small pots and fill them with soft, rich potting soil. Place them right under the baby plants, but don't cut the runner yet. Keep it connected because the mother plant is still feeding the babies while they develop their own roots. Now grab a small piece of wire, or even a regular paper clip opened into a U shape, and gently pin the stem below the baby plant into the soil. You only want to hold it against the dirt, not damage the plant itself. Keep the soil moist, and in about 2-3 weeks, roots will begin growing. Once you see fresh new leaves appearing, that means they're ready. Take clean scissors and cut the runner on both sides of the new plant. Now it has become fully independent. One strawberry plant can give you 10, 15, even 20 new plants every year. Pretty amazing, right? Now let's talk about keeping them healthy and productive. Strawberries absolutely love sunlight. Give them around 6-8 hours of direct sun every day. If they stay in too much shade, they'll make lots of leaves but very little fruit. More sun usually means more strawberries. For watering, strawberries love moisture but hate sitting in soggy soil. Water deeply every 1-2 days during hot weather and every 3-4 days when temperatures are cooler. Always water the soil instead of the leaves because wet leaves can encourage diseases. A simple trick is to push one finger into the soil if it feels dry. It's time to water. They're also hungry plants, so feed them every 2 weeks using a fruit or vegetable fertilizer, compost, or aged manure. Don't use too much nitrogen because you'll end up with huge leafy plants and almost no berries. Once flowers appear, switch to a fertilizer with more potassium because it helps create sweeter, redder fruit. Strawberries grow best in soft, rich soil that drains well. If your soil is heavy clay, mix in some sand or perlite to improve drainage. When winter arrives, strawberry plants naturally slow down. They can usually stay outdoors, but if temperatures freeze, give them some protection. A little winter chill actually helps them produce better harvests next season. Here are some extra tips for bigger harvests. Remove the very first flowers from young plants. It sounds strange, but it helps them build stronger roots and larger plants, giving you much more fruit later. Add straw or dry leaves around the plants as mulch. This keeps berries clean, prevents rotting, and keeps moisture in the soil. That's actually where the name strawberry comes from. Also replace older plants every 3 years, because older plants usually produce smaller berries. Keep the new baby plants you've grown so you always have healthy, productive plants. And if you're growing strawberries indoors or in a greenhouse, use a small paintbrush to gently touch each flower and move pollen around. This helps produce larger and better shaped berries. And that's it! From one strawberry plant, you can create endless new plants and enjoy fresh strawberries for years. Try this method yourself. Growing your own fruit is incredibly fun, and nothing tastes better than a strawberry you grew with your own hands. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. How many new plants did you get from one mother plant? See you next time!